Welcome to LuxuryHomeTour, Luxury Designs, where elegance meets imagination. In this journey, we step into spaces that redefine what it means to live beautifully. Every wall, every texture, every light beam tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and the pursuit of perfection. These homes aren't just places to live. They are works of art, designed to awaken your senses and inspire your dreams.
From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space is story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe.
As we move through these magnificent spaces, notice how design and nature blend in harmony. The soft glow of natural light, the serene balance of colors, and the timeless materials that whisper luxury. Every detail, from the architecture to the ambience, speaks to those who crave both sophistication and comfort. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself here, surrounded by peace, beauty, and inspiration.
Curves and stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe, where beauty whispers you've achieved. In these walls of dreams, we rise, we heal, where passion paints what words can't feel. Luxury lives where peace is found, not just in mansions, in the sound of silence, stillness and scented air. Oh, design your world with love and care. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more.
Whether it's a modern mansion in Los Angeles, a countryside retreat in England, or a coastal villa in Spain, each property invites you to dream beyond the ordinary. This is not just a home tour. It's an experience, a reminder that beauty can be lived, touched, and felt.
From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle
If you've ever
walls,
envisioned living in a home that reflects your aspirations, this is it. And today, you're not just watching a tour, you're experiencing a dream. Don't forget to subscribe to LuxuryHomeTour Luxury Design for more breathtaking journeys into the world's most extraordinary homes. Like, share, and leave a comment telling us what your dream home would look like. Your next inspiration could be just one video away.
not just